Hello, welcome back to Cookies Tarot YouTube. Now I'm going to be doing a 7-day look ahead for Earth signs, so Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What is coming up for Tauruses over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Tauruses over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Tauruses over the next 7 days? What's coming up for Tauruses? I just need one more card. What is coming up for Tauruses over the next 7 days? Thank you. Okay, so for Tauruses, we have the Ten of Pentacles in reverse, Three of Cups, and the Hierophant, which is your energy. So you could start out the week arguing over finances. You may not agree with your person when it comes to how to spend money for the household. You may have conflicts within a family business. Perhaps you could be dealing with relatives that don't approve of something that you're doing. So I'm seeing something that's like tense. However, you could also be invited to a get-together. So you could be like trying to turn away from whatever is making you frustrated and you just want to have a good time. So you could be going to a party. I see singing and dancing. You could be having more fun, like doing creative hobbies. And then I do see that towards the end of the week, whatever you're arguing about, there could be some sort of agreement. Like I see everybody wanting to work together, trying to figure things out, trying to come up with a solution. And someone may also ask for your forgiveness, or you may have to mediate whatever financial dispute is happening that happened in the beginning of the week. So that's for Tauruses. Okay, so now we're gonna do Virgo. Universe Virgos. What is coming up for Virgos over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Virgos over the next 7 days? Virgo. What is coming up for Virgos over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Virgos? What is coming up for Virgos? Okay. So for Virgos, we have the Knight of Cups in reverse, Five of Swords, and Four of Cups. So you could be dealing with a water energy. It feels like something's going to be really tense. Like someone wants to cause conflict. Someone wants to seek revenge. Someone wants to prove a point. Someone may rescind an offer from you. Someone may have false appearances with you. It feels like someone took an offer away or isn't really expressing how they feel, and it's just creating too much conflict. This may lead you to feel kind of like nothing is good enough for you, or you could be feeling apathetic, indifferent, feeling like unable to appreciate happiness, like you just feel bored and out of it. I'm also getting the fact that whoever took an offer away from you may bring that offer back to you out of the blue. Okay, so next we have Capricorns. Here, Spirit guys, what is coming up for Capricorns over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Capricorns over the next 7 days? Capricorns over the next 7 days. What is coming up for Capricorns over the next 7 days? What is coming up for Capricorns? One more card, please. What is coming up for Capricorns? Okay. So we have the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, the World, and Seven of Swords. So it feels like you have something to complete, like you have a cycle that needs to end, and it's like, I feel like it's not complete. So whatever you're doing, I feel like you're either backtracking and it needs to stop, or if it's not working out, then leave it alone. You may be dealing with feeling like you're out of control. Something is causing you to feel out of control. A situation is not within your control, and there's a need for you to accept it and be good with it and have closure. You could also be dealing with someone who is manipulative, like something to do with fraud, scheming, manipulation, trickery. Someone could be lying to you. So whatever this energy is, it might be the source that's causing these unwelcome obstacles, which you need to put an end to. Okay, that's it for Earth signs.